Team moving in from the southwest.
This is Shepard. We're almost at the LZ. What's your status? Over.
We're on our way to the LZ. Roach, let's go!
Mate! Cover me! Contact 11 o'clock!
You copy? Does anyone copy?
They're dead, so. Shepard's cleaning house. I'm working my way back to you. Shepard betrayed us. Have to trust someone to be betrayed. I never did. Nikolai, come in. Do you have our location?
Da, inbound price. But I am not the only one. You've got Shepard's men on one side, Makarov's on the other.
We'll have to take them all out then.
Or let them take each other out. Either way, I'll see you on the other side, my friend.
So, Shepard's trying to wipe out House and Makarov at the same time. Head for running point Bravo to the west. Trust no one! Head for the rally point! Go, go, go! Nikolai, this is Price. Be advised, the LZ is hot. I repeat, the LZ is hot.
Okay, Captain Price. I am on the way. Trying to get the situation under control before I get there, okay?
Right, whatever you say, Nikolai, just get here, sharpish.
So, let Makarov and Shepard's men kill each other off as much as you can.
So, Shepard's trying to wipe out us and Makarov at the same time. Head for rally point Bravo to the west. Trust no one. Head for the rally point. Go, go, go! Nikolai, this is Price. Be advised, the LZ is hot. I repeat, the LZ is hot.
Okay, Captain Price. I am on the way. Trying to get the situation under control before I get there, okay?
Right, whatever you say, Nikolai, just get here, sharpish.
So, let Makarov and Shepard's men kill each other off as much as you can. We can use their comms to listen in on their radio traffic. I'm gonna try and contact Makarov. Makarov, this is Price. Shepard's a war hero now. He's got your operations playbook and he's got a blank check. See what you got on Shepard, and I'll take care of the rest. I know you can hear me on this channel, Makarov. You and I both know you won't last a week. And neither will you. Makarov, you ever hear the old saying, the enemy of my enemy is my friend?
Price, one day you're going to find that cuts both ways. Shepard is using Site Hotel Bravo. You know where it is. I'll see you now.
Looking forward to it. Give my regards to Zakhaev if you get there first.
So, don't get pinned down out there. Keep heading west for the runway area.
Sandstorms around Kandahar, Captain Price. I have to fly around them. I'm not getting paid enough to crash my plane. under control. Very unsafe to land. It looks like when I was in Afghanistan with the Soviets.
Nikolai, just shut up and land the bloody plane. We're on our way.
Пустерва! Все мне явно не должное это работать. Они ракеты сколько стоят. Твою мать! Пизда!
I'm gonna get some transport. Make your way west towards the runway. So, I found some transport. Keep moving west. I'll meet you en route. I found some transport. Keep moving west. I'll meet you en route. I'm taking off in 1 minute! You better hurry if you want right out of here! So, we don't have much time. Nikolai's not going to wait around for us. Hurry!
Take out that gunner! Hang on! Behind us! Right side! Right side! Hold on! Hang on! Nikolai, drop the bloody ramp! We're coming in! Vehicles at 12 o'clock!